In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate time with SUMPRODUCT in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and prepare a simple worksheet where your data is organized clearly. The SUMPRODUCT function is especially useful when you want Excel to multiply corresponding values and then add all of those results together in one step. In practical terms, that means it can help you calculate total hours worked, total payroll, or even some time-related values that meet a certain structure. For this example, enter your sample data into two separate columns. In one column, list the hours worked, and in the next column, list the hourly rate. A sample setup could look like this: 8 hours with a rate of 15, 6 hours with a rate of 18, 7 hours with a rate of 20, and 5 hours with a rate of 16. Keeping the data in matching rows is important because SUMPRODUCT pairs each value in the first column with the value beside it in the second column. Once your data is in place, click the cell where you want the final result to appear. This is where Excel will return the total after doing all the multiplication and addition for you. Now, enter the formula equals sum, product open parenthesis, A2 colon, A5 comma B2 colon B5, close parenthesis. Then press enter. What Excel does here is very efficient. It takes the first hour's value and multiplies it by the first hourly rate. Then it does the same for each remaining row. After that, it adds all those products together. In this example, the result is 476, which represents the total payroll amount. If your goal is to calculate wages or total numeric hours, make sure the results cell is formatted as general or number so the answer displays properly. That formatting step is small, but it helps avoid confusion when reading the output. There is also an important tip if you're working with actual Excel time values instead of plain numbers. For example, if your cells contain times like 8:30 rather than just 8.5, Excel stores those values differently. In that case, after using your formula, format the result as bracket H close bracket colon MM. That format allows Excel to display total accumulated hours correctly, even when the total goes beyond 24 hours. So the overall process is simple. Enter your hours and rates in separate columns, choose the results cell, type the SUMPRODUCT formula, press enter, and then apply the correct format for the kind of result you want. It's a fast and reliable way to calculate time-based totals in Excel.